My life is different now in that I understand there's so many more tools in Excel than I knew how to use, and that there are a whole lot of possibilities for future improvement professionally. And I really enjoy working with Excel. My name is Margaret Parks, and I work for Big Tex Trailer Manufacturing Company. I'm based in Mount Pleasant, Texas, and my job title currently, I think, is VP of Cost Accounting. Most of the reporting is designed to be through Power BI, and so my initial interest was to get Power BI training, and naturally I had to start at the beginning to get there, and that was really the motivation for the training. And I also needed CPE credit to keep my CPA license active. When I started the training, some of the very initial part of the undergraduate program helped with formatting work papers that I was then transitioning to new accountants that had been hired to backfill. I believe that it has given me an introduction to a lot of functionality that I wish I had had before when I was doing my own work papers. I believe that it will help me in the future as we do this implementation, and I'm helping to design reports and at least understand the structure. I'm looking forward to utilizing things that I've learned but not really implemented yet. So. The recordings are very straightforward with exactly what to do and when to do it. And then, of course, the workbook exercises help reinforce what you've been learning. And I'm really a hands-on user. I need to do it myself. With Power BI and being able to pull in multiple data sources at the same time, I think that that's a really powerful tool. Well, I definitely would. I think the learning is very strategic in that everything starts out very basic, and then you build on skills that you've learned in the previous lessons. And it's very specific to an accountant and the sorts of things that we're asked to do day in and day out. So there's some practical, it's easy to relate to the data.